Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into the world of pasta, one of the most beloved and versatile dishes out there. So, let's get started. Pasta is a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. It's not only delicious, but it's also incredibly versatile. You can make pasta with a variety of sauces, from creamy Alfredo to tangy marinara, and even pesto. The possibilities are endless. One of the best things about pasta is that it's a great source of carbohydrates. Carbs are essential for providing energy to our bodies, and pasta is a healthy and tasty way to get them. Plus, it's a great source of fiber, which helps keep our digestive systems running smoothly. Pasta is also a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. You can easily add veggies to your pasta dishes, whether it's sauteed spinach, roasted red peppers, or even zucchini noodles. The options are endless. Another great thing about pasta is that it's a relatively inexpensive dish to make. You can pick up a box of pasta for just a few dollars, and it's a great way to stretch your food budget. Plus, it's a great dish to make for a crowd, as it's easy to double or triple the recipe to feed more people. Pasta is also a great dish to make ahead of time. You can cook the pasta and store it in the fridge for a few days, and then simply reheat it when you're ready to eat. It's a great option for busy weeknights when you don't have a lot of time to cook. Finally, pasta is a great dish to share with others. It's a great way to bring people together around the dinner table, and it's a dish that everyone seems to love. It's a great way to show your love and appreciation for others. So there you have it, folks. Pasta is a delicious, versatile, and healthy dish that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy meal or a way to bring people together, pasta is the way to go. Thank you so much for joining me on this pasta journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Until next time, happy cooking!